Hey there, it's Neil, and I have this. This is by, I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see these dogs hovering around me. I think they know what this is. If I can open it. Hi, doggies. What is this? What is it? It's by Wisedog. And it is a dog grooming kit. Check it out. Uh-oh, there they go. Okay, let's see what we got. So we have a dog grooming glove. Must be an easier way to open these. Oh well. Let's see if the dog will come over here. Come here. Let's see, how do I open this? There we go. It's for righties, I guess, because it's a right-handed glove. And let's see. Look at you. Look. Oh, somebody likes this. Somebody likes this. Look at you. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, I don't know if I don't know. I guess it just feels good. It doesn't really get a lot of hair off. I guess some, I guess. But okay, so there's that. I know. You're so cute. Okay, let's go. Let's go see what else we got here. Okay, we have. Oh, you stink. We got a comb. You can comb your hair and comb your hair. You got a little comb. Oh, that got some hair out of there. Okay. Let's see what else we got. I know. We're gonna go through all the stuff. We have a little nail file. I will not be filing their nails, but that is a nail file. I have some. Ooh, these are like the toenail clippers. Chop, chop. I don't think anybody likes those. Let's see. How do we lock it in place there? What is this? Oh, this is one of those cool brushes. Well, check out this. One of those brushes where you brush them and you push the button and it pushes the hair off. You see, like you do that. So you brush, 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 and then when you got it, you go and it pulls the hair off. See, you can even see some of the hair came off. So look at that. I know. Look at all this fun stuff. And then what is this? And this, I know, you want some loving too. The two doggies worth of loving. And this is just a little scrubber rubber brush. Let's see if you like that. Oh, I don't know. They don't like that one so much. Or maybe I just scared them. But that's it. So it's like a whole little dog grooming kit, like a little, a little spa day for the doggies. And so that's kind of what this is here. So I am going to close this up. And we'll use it another time with them. Just got to show you. But it's very cool. So pick up one of these, Wisedog. My dogs seem to like it.